Kamusta mga kabasketbolista? Tinambakan ng New Zealand ang Chinese Taipei 81-64. Top performer ng New Zealand si Sam Waardenburg sa likod ng kanyang 16 points, 13 rebounds, 6 assists, 1 steal at 1 block. Para naman sa natalong Chinese Taipei, Gadiaga 14 points at 3 rebounds. Panalo naman ang Jordan kontra sa Palestine 87-81. Top performer ng Jordan si Dar Tucker sa likod ng kanyang 15 points, 6 rebounds, 4 assists at 2 steals. Para naman sa natalong Palestine, Brian Haloms 35 points, 7 rebounds, 7 assists, 4 steals at 1 block. Tinambakan naman ng India ang Kazakhstan 88-69. Top performer ng India si Pranav Prince sa likod ng kanyang 17 points, 6 rebounds, 8 assists, 5 steals at 2 blocks. Para naman sa natalong Kazakhstan, Vladimir Ivanov 17 points, 10 rebounds, 1 assist at 3 blocks. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Tinambakan din ng Lebanon ang Syria 89-64. Top performer ng Lebanon si Omari Spellman sa likod ng kanyang 24 points, 12 rebounds, 2 assists, 1 steal at 2 blocks. Nag-ambag naman ng 20 points, 6 rebounds at 5 assists si Wael Araki. Para naman sa natalong Syria, Amaury Jeremiah Hardy 26 points, 4 rebounds, 5 assists, 2 steals at 1 block. Heto naman ang game result last November 26, 2024. Panalo naman ang Saudi Arabia kontra sa Iraq 66-58. Top performer ng Saudi Arabia si Muhammad Al-Suwailim sa likod ng kanyang 14 points, 13 rebounds, 2 assists at 4 blocks. Para naman sa natalong Iraq, DeMario Mayfield 18 points, 7 rebounds, 5 assists at 1 steal. Dinaig naman ng Qatar ang Iran 78-77. Top performer ng Qatar si Mike Lewis sa likod ng kanyang 19 points at 3 assists. Para naman sa natalong Iran, Metin Aghajanpour 31 points at 2 rebounds. Tinalo naman ang United Arab Emirates ang Bahrain 90-77. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings ng FIBA Asia Cup 2025 qualifiers window to as of November 26, 2024. Sa Group A, Australia 4 wins 0 loss 8 points. South Korea 2 wins 2 losses 6 points. Thailand 2 wins 2 losses 6 points. Indonesia 0 win 4 losses 4 points. Sa Group B, Gilas Pilipinas 4 wins 0 loss 8 points. New Zealand 3 wins 1 loss 7 points. Chinese Taipei 1 win 3 losses 5 points. Hong Kong China 0 win 4 losses 4 points. Sa Group C, Japan 4 wins 0 loss 8 points. China 3 wins 1 loss 7 points. Guam 1 win 3 losses 5 points. Mongolia 0 win 4 losses 4 points. Sa Group D, Jordan 4 wins 0 loss 8 points. Saudi Arabia 3 wins 1 loss 7 points. Iraq 1 win 3 losses 5 points. Palestine 0 win 4 losses 4 points. Sa Group E, Iran 3 wins 1 loss 7 points. Qatar 2 wins 2 losses 6 points. Kazakhstan 2 wins 2 losses 5 points. India 1 win 3 losses 5 points. Sa Group F, Lebanon 4 wins 0 loss 8 points. Bahrain 2 wins 2 losses 6 points. Syria 1 win 3 losses 5 points. United Arab Emirates 1 win 3 losses 5 points. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.